We're going to start this puppy up. Clear, prop.
And welcome back to Tip of the Week. Who doesn't want their home-built aircraft to look like $1,000,000 and also possibly exhibit some unique artwork to set it apart, making it a little special among the other aircraft on the ramp? We can consider what an expensive paint job can do to achieve these goals, but there is another method that goes beyond paint and allows an unlimited degree of creativity to be displayed. The medium you should consider for this purpose is known in the trade as vinyl signs and vinyl graphics. Vinyl has been around for many years as a means of providing signage and decoration for all sorts of items. For example, autos, trucks, trailers, and aircraft. Whether you would like to paint your home built or not, vinyl graphics can still be used, providing an endless variety of creative artwork for your aircraft. The good news is that it is easy and affordable to make use of vinyl graphics even if you have no prior experience with it. Let's see how to get started. Step 1. Have an idea of what you want to visually create on your aircraft. Your design might include lettering, stripes or graphic shapes, and images. And we'll talk later about creating these. Step 2. Find a vendor to produce the vinyl material just the way you want it. Here is how to do that. Grab your local yellow pages or get on the internet and Google sign shop, or better yet, sign shop near, and then put your zip code in. You may be surprised how many sign shops are in your area. There are many online businesses also that can be of help to you, but use a local shop if you feel the need for in-person assistance. They can show you their libraries of lettering and graphics if you're looking for ideas. Tell them about how the vinyl will be used, so they will select the best vinyl material for your aircraft. Nearly all of them specialize in vinyl lettering and graphics and have the equipment to make this on site. What is needed is a full-color printer and a vinyl cutting machine, along with the proper vinyl stock and the skilled operator working from a computer. You can use a sign company that is not local to your home, as correspondence can be done via email and graphic files and images can also be emailed. The vinyl product can then be shipped via UPS in a mailing tube. If you are brand new to vinyl, visit a local shop in your area so you can converse with a person and get your questions answered and show you samples. Not only will they tell you how much it's going to cost, but with their experience, they can help advise you on possibly better ways to accomplish your plan. Step 3. Apply the vinyl. You can do this yourself or have it professionally done. Applying the vinyl is very easy, especially on a relatively flat surface. The larger or longer the vinyl piece is, the more challenging it will be. It can be applied dry or wet. There are hundreds of YouTube videos that you can watch to learn the simple techniques and build the confidence for doing this yourself. Here is an example of a vinyl piece that was produced from a digital file. It comes from the sign shop just like this. There's actually 3 pieces: the vinyl itself, and then a backing paper, and then a front cover on it. And what we do is, when it's time to apply this, I'll peel off the backing paper and apply the graphic along with the front piece onto the surface. And the purpose of the front piece is so that we can use a blade, a plastic blade like a squeegee, to rub this onto the surface to get good adhesion without actually rubbing on the graphic. And then once it's on our surface, we can peel back and remove this front cover, and we'll be left with just the vinyl. There is an adhesive on the back of the vinyl. That's what allows it to stick. And there are two methods of applying this. For a smaller piece like this, I would simply clean my surface and apply this dry onto my surface, whether it be painted or unpainted. For larger pieces, much larger than this, we can spray the surface and the back of this with water with a little bit of soap in it, and that would allow us to position this on the surface and then pull it off if we had to, if we got it in the wrong spot. Water then evaporates and you get a good adhesion. For small pieces, you can just put them on dry. There are many YouTube videos so you can watch with great detail on how to apply vinyl. For creating striking photocolor images on vinyl, like this one, you need to supply your sign vendor a computer image file, for example, a JPEG file, that they are going to import into their computers. The file needs to have the proper digital characteristics for the size and image quality needed. This is similar to having the right file parameters for printing a high-quality photograph from a digital camera. Your sign shop technician can tell you if your supplied file image scales properly for the size graphic you desire. Removing vinyl can be accomplished with the use of a heat gun. Years of exposure to the sun can make vinyl removal challenging. While very durable and made for outdoor use, vinyl has a limit before it will start to fade in harsh environments. Talk to your sign shop professional. The vinyl decals that we have been discussing should not be confused with vinyl wraps. Wraps are considered a different system where a very large sheet is wrapped around an entire structure, like a fuselage. Wraps need special skills for installation, and due to their size and complexity, they are not inexpensive. Maybe a topic for another tip. And there you have it. Start experimenting with vinyl and create a custom look for your home built so that no one forgets what your aircraft looks like at that next fly-in. And while you're pondering that design, it would be best you get back to building.